Hey guys, it's Lucas here, and welcome back to the Eurow YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting team of detailers for Detailer Showcase. Let's get detailing. We are here with Hector and Juan from Team Glass Finish. Tell us a little bit about Team Glass Finish.
So Team Glass Finish is a private detailing team located in Orange County. We are focused on private automotive events such as grand openings, private photo shoots, and car shows.
And Juan, what is your favorite thing about being part of Team Glass Finish?
My favorite part of being from Team Glass Finish is just detailing the exotics and working with the great team that we have. You know, there's a few detailers out there that couldn't make it today, but we're here. And yeah, that's my favorite part, just being a team and working together to get the exotics done.
Nice. All right, guys, thank you so much for telling us more about your team, Team Glass Finish. If you guys haven't already, be sure to follow them on social media. They got some great stuff going on. Now we're going to get into their favorite one of our towels, the 380 GSM 16 by 24 inch terry weave dual pile towels. So, Hector, why do you like these towels?
My favorite thing about these towels is the versatility. These towels can be used for everything on these cars. The quality is great. So the short weave can go for interior if needed, and the long pile can even go on the paint. So essentially, if you had one towel and it's this towel, it would be all you need to do a whole car.
So Juan, how are we going to be using these towels for this detailing session?
We're going to be using these towels as a wash mitt, a paint towel, and a glass and wheel towel.
Awesome. Let's get to detailing.
Today we'll be doing a demonstration on the vehicle. We're going to be starting with a contactless pre-foam, rinsing the vehicle, and then doing contact wash. The reason we would rinse the car first is to get all the debris out of the cracks, crevices, anything that's stuck on the paint would come off with the water. We like to do a pre-foam as well. The foam, same thing. You would get less chances of you catching something on your mitt and scratching that across the paint. So now that our pre-foam is done, we're going to go ahead and rinse it and then do our contact wash. Like to primarily use is the top to bottom method. Essentially that's where you start contact from the top of the vehicle to the bottom. And one thing that's good about using a towel like this instead of a wash mitt is the sides, and you can essentially do the whole car with one or two of these.
It's important to flip over because as you can see, the other side was pretty dirty and you don't want to contaminate that side with this side with dirt. You always want to work with the clean surface on different panels.
As mentioned, one of the things, my favorite things about this towel is the versatility. So with the long pile, we like to do what is more so the top half of the vehicle. And with the more contaminated side, kind of like the plastics, the rockers, the lower half of the vehicle, we like to go short pile and get all these plastics cleaned up. Now for one of our last steps, where we'll be using this waffle weave to dry the vehicle. Now we will be using the towels to finish off the car. We're going to use a detail spray and a paint sealant to add a nice gloss and protection to give it that glass finish that we like. We saw us use the long pile for the exterior, and now we're going to show you how you can use the short pile for the interior. We're spraying an interior cleaner on the towel. You can also spray a little bit on the panel. Make sure you don't over soak it. And then you go ahead and just work that in. As you can see, the panel has been cleaned up by our favorite detailer preference towel.
All right, these guys have finished detailing this car and it is amazing. It is spotless. Thank you so much to Team Glass Finish. If you guys have not followed them already, where can they find you on social media?
You can go ahead and find us on Instagram at Team Glass Finish, and we will soon be on TikTok as well.
So yeah, you'll find us, if you see us at car shows, we'll be using these towels for sure.
And if you guys want to know where you can get these towels, check the description below. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Detailer Showcase. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment which detailer you want to see next. Follow our social media, and I'll see you in the next video.